6 minus 3 times 3 minus 4. 6 minus 3, this is going to give us 3 times 7 minus 4, this is going to give us 3. 3 times this 3 is 9. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, board mass, B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. And don't forget, we are solving with this rule from left to right. So we are following this rule from left to right. So if we solve 6 minus 3, right, in bracket 7 minus 4. So first of all, we are doing the bracket. If we do this bracket first, we have 6 minus 3 times 7 minus 4 will give us 3. So the next is our multiplication. So now we are going to do the multiplication, which is this. So we have 6 minus 3 times 3 equals 9. 6 minus 9, this is equals to minus 3. That's the final answer.